Hello, welcome back. Come with me, clean or destroying a house with my uncle. Here is summer vacation, and in this summer I'm doing a lot of stuff. And one of the things is actually help my uncle clean up a house that he decided to renovate. And right now we're in the process of cleaning, removing the walls, just trying to see what exactly can we renovate in there. But as you can see, we need to renovate all things. And look at me trying to remove that thing. In my language we call that rodape. And yeah, I had to use a machado, martelo, to remove the walls. And actually, one of the things that I really think is very interesting here in America is the fact that the houses are made out of wood. In my country, we don't do that. We use concrete, we use rocks. Like, the houses are very, very hard. And I cannot destroy a house like that. I'm not that strong and I'm able to remove a wall made out of wood. And it was fun. That was my first time doing something like that. I only see these things on a movie, and I can't believe I actually managed to destroy a wall just like that. Yeah, so African houses, specifically in my country, they're made out of rock, just like on the video. And it's literally impossible for me to kick it and destroy the wall. But here in America, that's why, whenever there's fire or robbery or car accidents, the cars manage to get inside the building because the houses, the walls, the buildings are very, very, very fragile. In my country, if you hit a house, your car is crushed. It's gone because the houses are built with rocks and other hard stuff that I don't even know the name in English. But I feel like with the climate, the way we have so many rains, so many tornadoes and stuff, I feel like it's very convenient and it helps us save a lot of money with maintenance and things like that.
This is how American houses are made.
And to complete the video, I want to talk to all my immigrants and to all the students or the people, the young people who are dreaming about coming to America or even going somewhere else outside. I just remember that many of you guys think that life here in America is easy, but it's not. This work that I'm doing is literally the type of work that most of the immigrants do here in America. Cleaning, building, cooking, babysitting, the works or the type of works that we in Mozambique will literally think, or I would never do such thing, is literally the type of work that all immigrants do because we don't have much choice. You can't pick. If you want to make money, you need to humble yourself. And America is a beautiful place to teach you and improve your humbleness. And because of that, we have many options of the things we can do to make money. That's why whenever I create videos talking about why you can come here as an international student and do many things, is because of this type of options. You can do so many things, but so many things to make money. You just need to be brave enough to embrace those challenges that will come ahead of you and humble yourself. There's nothing much I can say. Humble yourself. Don't be picky until you get where you want to go. And I'm going to repeat that one more time. You need to be humble. You will do all type of stuff. All the things that you literally never imagine yourself doing. that's what you will do if you don't have money to pay for your stuff here in America. And before I end the video, I just want to remind you guys that the situation here in America is not looking good for the immigrants. But if you're legally okay, if you're okay with your paperwork, you're not doing anything illegal, you're fine. You're literally fine. You don't have to worry about anything. You just leave everything in the hands of the Lord, because it's not by any chance or any expertise. It's not by your knowledge. It's by the strength of the Lord that He will protect you and He will keep you safe. If He have goals for you, if He have plans for you here in America, He's gonna protect you and make sure that you will accomplish them. You just need to trust in Him. You don't need to do anything crazy. Funny thing about that day is that it was hot. Remember, this is summer, and here in Texas, it's very hot. So, a guy selling ice cream was passing by the street with the ring, gling, 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 gling. I don't even know the name of that, but I don't know. I think it was sent by God. This guy was selling a Mexican ice cream called paletas. I don't even remember the name in Portuguese anymore. Well, I remember. We call it picolé. And we can all agree that the strawberry flavor is the best. But anyway, that thing was so good. And I need it. Look at my face. Like, I can't even recognize myself. But anyway, that's the house, that's the neighborhood, and that's me. Look at my hair. Yeah. So I was really down. I was really happy. Even my uncle, he literally finished that in 1 second. We were thirsty, but goodbye. Don't forget to pray and read your Bible.